Hey guys, today we're playing, I don't know what his name, but this guy, he has VIP, that's sick, but dude, come on, that's not cool, that was not cool, but okay, I didn't play this game since forever, where are all the players at? Hmm. Player, come on, player. That was so good. Player, come on. Won't I get some people to slaughter? Ow! And got slaughter. Come on, I hate bacons with that balloon. Okay, that guy had a better gun than me. Ow! I am so bad at this game. Where are all the players at again? Okay, I just can't keep running along and expect to find a player. Oh my god, this girl! She keeps getting the better of me. It's not okay. How does she keep doing that? I need revenge. I need revenge. I need the murder around. How dare you? Baby, that very worked. That worked actually. And now in his head, no, choose this one. I'm angry. I'm angry. Oh my god, I hate the castle. Why the castle? But okay, let's do it. This. Ow! Idiot! You see revenge! Revenge. Okay. Okay, where are they at? Oh my god! Why does she keep equipping different guns? Okay. Why? Decimated by me. I just decimated her. Spying. Now. Shoot. Oh yeah! That girl! She is so annoying. Put your hands up. Okay, this girl is gonna put her hands up. At least she doesn't. Yay! This is so good. This is so good. Right. Yeah. I put her in music for you. Where's that stupid girl? I'm gonna pay. Is it? You can pay. Hey you, where is she? I'm gonna kill her. Yeah, baby, revenge. Oh, that felt so good. Come on. I hate that. I hate you. I hate you. Ah, this girl's so evil. I'm not gonna let her slide. I hate that guy. Maybe I can get some. Yes! That was beautiful. That was beautiful. And that was so worth it. But okay, I hate her. Okay, but this guy's a well stupid guy. I'm gonna shoot them with that shot just like that. Just like that, SpongeBob. Nah, it's not gonna be good for you, Mustard. Ah! Oh my god! She needs to learn respect. After I should spawn in that place. Now like this. Hey, I don't like it that way. No, 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 no. This is an unequip. Yeah, this is much better. Now, time to get revenge. Oh my god, how could I get it out of there? Finally! Revenge! It's mine! She is definitely... Yay! I hate that guy. Why did he have to have a laser? When do I get my destiny? No! I hate losing to that girl. Under arrest. You are under arrest. Okay. That's pretty long. Oh. Oh man, come on. I'm gonna need to equip that. Okay, we're gonna end this video right here. See you guys. Bye.